in particular.
Hello, I'm Sue Tilleray and I'm an assessor candidate, and I'm actually giving some feedback to Claudette Durham, who's doing the ITQ, and she's doing Unit 207, email level 2, and the date today is the 20th of November and it's approximately 3:45 p.m. Right, hi Claudette. How did you feel that it went?
Well, I felt a bit nervous, and therefore I didn't feel that I was working the same way I would do without being monitored for the test. And so hopefully I've done all right. And,
well, first of all, it's not actually a test, it was just to see how you were doing things work-wise, and in fact you did extremely well, and it was just making sure that you met the standards for the evidence requirements for this particular unit for ITQ.
thank you.
So it's not actually a test at all. However, I was most impressed actually at the standard of your work. I thought it was extremely good how you carried it out, and I'm pleased to be able to say to you that in fact in the evidence requirement for number 1, which is sending and receiving emails using the facilities provided by the software, and what software were you using for your email facility?
It's Microsoft Outlook 2003.
Yes, 2003 version, okay, fine. And so for that one, you've actually successfully completed A, B, C, D and E. So that is complete for that number 1. In number 2, which is using address books and other facilities provided by email software, such as out-of-office replies and Encryptum, again, you've actually successfully repeated both of those, which is the 2A and B.
Great.
Okay, so that's very good. And then in formatting your emails, now I did actually see you do some formatting on this, and you could change it to RTF, but you actually said in that there was a bit of a problem.
Yes, there is. I don't know what it's causing it, but if I type something out into the email, the formatting is wrong, so I have to highlight what I typed and go to the formatting and take off this. One of the windows shows that it goes to automatic, which is making it double line spacing, which is what I don't want, so I put it to 0 and it all goes back to normal, how it should be, but it keeps coming up, and I've reported the problem to ICT.
Okay, that's excellent. It's well done identifying that actually as that sort of problem too. Okay, well in that as well you completed 3A successfully, and that was formatting emails to make them communicate more effectively. And in number 4, with exchanging information, now you did say that you've only just received a password for the messaging information that we were going to actually have a look at. So we haven't been able to do that today, so that's actually still outstanding, and that's 4A.
Yeah.
Okay, but 4B, using your interactive sites, that's absolutely fine as well. Okay.
Thank you.
Now you've also supplied me with a witness statement that has actually been done by your manager, and that completely backs up all the evidence that I've actually seen today as well. Now, as I said, 4A is outstanding, so once you've had a chance to have a look at that and you feel comfortable with that, you know, I'll be able to come in and just have a look at you doing that. And then the knowledge and understanding for that, we got in this unit items 1, 2 and 3, and for those what I will do is I'll send you a list of questions, and then when I do that I'll set a date by which time, you know, perhaps you can get them back to me, and if there is any problem with that then perhaps you can let me know and we can sort out a date together. Okay? but well done, and you know, I thought that was really excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. How's that?
Good.